Triggering workflows based on company-level behavior is one of the most powerful Userlist features if you run a B2B SaaS with teams. You can choose between a variety of user-level triggers, as you see, and company-level triggers. One of the most popular options would be a company joining a company segment, for example, trialing companies. And this is going to apply to either all users in the company or certain users in the company only. For example, we can find people based on the relationship property role and target this workflow towards admins only. It's extremely important to understand that we will start the workflow only for the users who belong to this company at this specific moment in time. And it will be the users who are advancing through the workflow nodes. So just keep this model in mind. If you want to start the same workflow for users who join later, you need to set up a second trigger. For example, what works really well is the trigger user joins a company. In this case, we want to send the same onboarding flow to users who join a company, and that company that they join is going to be already at the stage of paying customers. So this will be training for users who are joining down the road. Userlist can make any of your automation scenarios possible. Sometimes you find yourself thinking that those users who join down the road deserve different type of content. In this case, you would probably want to have a separate workflow that has a different mini training for users who join when the company is already in the paying stage. In any case, please be mindful about comparing the lifecycle journey of the company itself and the lifecycle journey of the individual users.